Udah botak.
Kayak bola dibilang sama anakku cuy.
Udah botak.
Kayak bola, papa kayak bola.
Halo Lilis.
Halo.
Halo. Oke, kita mulai ya scrumnya ya. So today on Monday, 8 February, we have a community scrum. So the first, I think I would like to what's called introduce the new structure of the Trello board in community. But this is still on what's called on the progress of the revision. So me and Lilis will make it the Trello board more effective and efficient for the its list and then card. So there are the news update is there are actually the first card is still meeting management. I think we already have this for the meeting management. And then the second one is leadership structure. So this is the description of the its what's called structure on the community for the responsible, for the chapter lead, vice chapter lead, and then member. And then the third one, this one actually is new release. So I was thinking about the campaign template because I think the campaign template and initiative I think can be different. But I will talk with Elise more to discussion about this. But this is not fixed yet. This is still on the what's called on the discussion. And then the fourth one is initiative template. This is already fixed. So when you have a new initiative, you can use this template, the background, and then intended result, hypothesis, key performance indicator, and evidence. And then the next one is community task template. Yeah, if you have task, you can use this template, and then you can put the tasks that you do on your card list card, like that. So for example, like here, Om Rafiq, today you have tasks, for example, like meeting with Eric, and then you need to make a deal or something. So you can put the list of the tasks in your card list, so we know your update, like that. So you can use this template, Om Rafiq, task template, yeah. Okay, thank you, Om. And then the next one is community manager intern onboarding materials. Yeah, actually, this is for the new intern. So this is the card, actually. So this is what the intern need to complete all the material. So if you are a new member, so you can use this template of the card, and then you can create the list of your name here, for example, like Sasha, and then you can use the template and then put the card on your list. So we know like how far you have been done your material, like that. And then the last one, I also create this actually list for the community management library. So this is like the source of the paper or Trello or the Google Sheet related community manager, like that. And then also there is also the video playlist for the community management sync up. So if, for example, like new member want to see the the video of the sync up community previously, they can use this template. Then so far, is there any question? David, all good. Rafik, Lilis, you have any question?
I think not question like
Hmm.
we still have to discuss the big part of the Trello, which we would like to define based on users, right?
Yeah.
We need to have the user journey here because for the partner, we will. I think we will. Perhaps if you have the cross chapter campaign, like
Hmm.
partnership advocacy,
Yeah.
um, yeah, we need to define the whole journey of the partner, like from the beginning, from marketing until on a community chapter. So that's our big discussion that we will have today, I guess, Kak Tandy, at 4.
Pardon? Yeah, I
Uh,
think this is what you mean, right?
which one is that?
This one, like this.
Yeah, something like that.
Uh,
User journey, basically.
yeah, like the user journey. Okay then. Yeah, we can discuss it ya, Lilis ya. Okay, thank you. And then maybe Om Rafiq, could you be the secretaries, Om? Oh,
I
you
use
using
my
handphone ya?
phone.
Okay, sorry. David, could you be the secretary? Yeah, okay. You can where I can put the meeting. Yeah. So you can uh, set up the calendar ya, David ya. Me and with Lilis, but you can see the allocation time for discussion about the user journey. Okay, thank you. The next one is chapter mission. So this is already update to inspire delight by maintaining partner retention and growth through hospitality and innovation. So whatever we do, like create campaign or create initiative or pivot, we need to always check that is that actually aligned with our mission or not, like that. And then this is the external SLA, and then this is the internal SLA. Yeah, for the internal SLA, I think also I need to discuss with Lilis about the internal SLA as well, like what in community can improve on the internal SLA. Is it like this is the internal SLA or not, the category, or something that we can more define this SLA, like that. And then the next one is I also create the cross chapter campaign. Yeah, I think this is related to the user journey or the partnership opportunities. I think that's also part of the campaign, cross chapter campaign. And then the next one is campaign program. Yeah, actually, this is also I need to discuss with Lilis as well. Yeah, basically about the Trello board. Yeah, I think Lilis already also set the meeting about the Trello board management. Yeah, Lilis. Yeah, yeah. I think I need also discuss with Lilis like this campaign. Like because in this campaign we have some people that involved on this campaign. Like for the initiative that support this campaign, I think we need to put in our its list, yeah, its name list, actually that can supporting the campaign, like that. So we don't. We also have the personal list or card on the its team, like that. So because in here it's I think too big or general. But I will discuss with Lilis what is the best format for update it and visualize the campaign and then the initiative. Okay, and then the next one, yeah, this one, yeah, I had new initiative actually for the partner information center. Yeah, why I call information center, because in here I think I had tell this before, because we have more than one source about the property and partner information. So I would like to merge it all and then make it just only one source. But I'm not put the title, the name of the system that we will use yet, because I need to recheck like what is the best system that we can use for the partner information center. So it's only one single source information, like the center of the information, like that. And then yeah, you can see the background, and then the intended result, it's yeah, CRM actually, community relationship management. And then the hypothesis, yeah, I think need to discuss with Lilis. They put for the hypothesis, key performance, and then the evidence. And then yeah, is there any question about my new initiative? This is actually still like a draft, so I'm not deeply yet, because I need to discuss it more about my idea. Okay, all good. So I will move to the campaign update ya. Okay, so for the first partner refund contract, this is from Om Rafiq. Could you give the update, Om?
Ntar aku sama Erik dulu ya.
Oke,
Ya,
Om. Siap.
ya, baca aja.
Oke. Tegas Asi sama Kembang Kuning ada update, Om?
Sudah dia udah gitu. Dia mau pelajarin dulu, itu udah mau aku diskusin nanti. Aku diskusin ini aja. Aku ntar mau diskusi aja. Ya,
Diskusi sama ownernya.
iya sama ownernya. Terus yang dua itu deh yang aku mau giniin. Enggak lebih. Eh, sebenarnya dia udah oke-oke aja. Terus
Hmm.
habis oke-oke aja tuh gimana gitu loh. Aku udah kasih target seminggu sampai sekarang belum juga. Apakah kita kasih lagi target seminggu atau gimana? Belum ditandatangani juga gitu loh. Aku udah put di discussion management tuh
Oh,
ininya.
frictionnya dia cara tanda tangannya atau memang dia gimana?
Ya, cara tanda tangannya. Mungkin aku harus ke sana loh dan
Oh,
karena kebanyakan kayak beli hari ini juga nggak tahu gimana tanda tangan dia per sign. Dan ada juga mungkin ini aku lebih lanjut dikit ya.
ya.
Ada beberapa owner juga gini. Kalau sign dia per sign itu nanti kalau ada apa-apa itu kalau kita ada apa-apa itu dia maunya yang basah gitu loh. Kalau misalnya ada apa-apa.
Oh, kan bisa di print sih Om kalau itu.
Tapi nggak kelihatan basah dan
Oh, maksudnya tanda
sama
tangannya.
tanda tangan sama apa namanya itu materai itu yang menjadi
Mm-mm.
gini dia sama kayak Pak Tamat kemarin nanya loh kok gini tanda tangannya bukan kertas gituin lagi aku
Mm-mm.
nanti kan ini bukan gini namanya
Mm.
bukan perjanjian aku juga bingung tadi aku udah nelpon Wayan lagi scrum ya mungkin ntar lagi aku telepon Wayan deh.
Oke, mungkin
Ya.
David bisa set meeting nggak bikin Mbak Wayan, Om Rafiq, sama aku boleh untuk set discussion. Mungkin nanti untuk jamnya bisa diupdate Om ya kapan ininya bisa.
Ya,
Oke,
ya. Habis
siap.
scrum ini bisa kok. Nih just bisa kok.
Oke, siap. Thank you Om.
Yuk.
Terus next to the community page, trusted community, I will have Om Rafiq for the update. Sorry. Oh ya nih. Oh ini dari Nadia. Okay, the last update is Nadia have outreach 10 company using property partner email and just check the email. There is no response yet. Let me see the funnel. Outreach 10. Okay, I think the last update is let me check. Oh, I think Nadia is not updated on the funnel yet. David, could you write on the comment at Nadia have you update on the funnel and then please screenshot update the screenshot of the update on this Trello board, yeah, so we can see the update. And then from Maria, there is no response yet about the new contact list, and then the response from the expert of company. But so far we have let me see the Chucha, and then also Chucha with Kevin Serkas. It's rescheduling for this Thursday, and then for the response, there is no new response yet. Just only one meetings, and then one partnership from Jensen Furniture.
I'm sorry, I got two respond from two company, but I think I haven't updated on Trello yet.
Oh, I see. So please update on the Trello, Sasha, ya.
Yes, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. And then maybe you can screenshot it now for the new update.
Okay, Kak.
Okay, thank
Will do.
you. And then the next one. What? Okay, the next is maintain partner trust by clear payment report. David, could you give the update?
Okay, for my update, in since end of January, there was a big increase in the anomalous payment. I don't know. I don't know why, but I will make sure it after this scrum with Maria. Uh, that's all the update for the campaign for today. Thank you.
Okay, so most of the new anomalies is about the underpayment, ya?
Yeah, underpayment from Airbnb.
Okay, got it. Yeah, so you will discuss with Maria about the reason of the anomalies, right?
Yep. Yeah,
Okay, maybe you can set up the meeting and then tell us the result of of your meeting with Maria, yeah,
okay.
on the comment board. Thank you, David. And then the next one is community engagement meeting program. I will have Rafiq for the update. Yeah, for the new update is about the partner contract renewal. There is 10 new topic, and then for the birthday there are three partner birthday this month, and then for the monthly key topic it's egg now, and then appointment for the contract and birthday is already scheduling 5. There is no update progress yet. And then for the appointment monthly key topic, there are 4 more. So the total is 8. And then for discuss and feedback monthly key topic, uh, there are 2 property partner that have been meeting last week. And then for discuss and feedback about the contract, there is no update yet. And then for discuss and feedback for the birthday, there is no birthday yet, and or for this discussion. And then there are 2 new actionable insight. Okay, yeah, okay, Om Rafiq, thank you, Om. Okay, and then for the Facebook, there are 7 new topic, and then 5 content is already posted for this month, and then the engagement rate and actionable insight will, is I think is will be updated by today. And then also today I will post the new content from Sasha for the Facebook group, and then we'll update it in the end of the day today. Okay, thank you. Is there any question so far? Oh, Sasha, you already know how to update the funnel, right? For the Facebook.
Uh, what do you mean by update the partner for the
Funnel,
Facebook?
not partner.
Oh,
Funnel.
funnel. Yeah, I can. Yeah,
Okay.
I can understand.
Okay, thank you, Sasha. Uh, okay, is there if there is no question, so I will move to the discussion management. Okay, so for the discussion management, from the last topic, I will check it. If there is anything that we need to check. For the vision and mission is already conclusion. Okay, yeah, I think there is a new topic from Lilis. Uh, okay, so Lilis, could you tell us your topic?
Okay, thank you, Nandi, for the chance. So today I'm more into observing actually, especially on how the chair handle the Scrum and how we value Scrum. Um, Actually, Sasha, what do you think Scrum is? The Scrum purposes are like
To
from the
make
first
sure,
to join Scrum. What is that like opinion regarding what is Scrum actually?
I think Scrum is for the purpose is to make sure that we have the same perceptions, to make sure that everyone knows what everyone else is doing, so that there's no conflicts
Okay,
regarding our task.
David, can you be my secretary? Yeah, don't forget to write down. Okay, Sasha. So is updates basically on what everyone's doing, and then to have the same perception on what
On our projects, on our campaign.
project or campaign. Okay, Kak Tandy, what do you think the purpose of the Scrum?
The purpose, of course, the progress of the its campaign, and then also see if there is any member have friction, and then set them. You can set the meeting or discuss it after that. to find the solution for the each campaign.
Okay. What I see from just now, what you report is activities. Like, okay, Rafiq, highlight like some problems there, like, uh, what is that? Why is nggak mau tanda tangan, something like the why the owner is not willing to sign, right? But on the other campaign, I only see report of activities basically. So what we need is reporting result and the problem that we face, right? So we can apa namanya meet together to define any kind of solution or improvement yang bisa kita lakukan. Tapi di community Scrum ini aku juga lihat kayak cuma report aja gitu, kayak gimana ya? Misalnya David, oke, anomalisnya underpayment gitu aja kan, kayak there is no like it's only report, right? Benar kan, David? Yeah, you don't try to like questioning anybody else or misalnya the chair. I think chair should be the one that is what is that? Paham gitu the whole of things that we need to discuss here in the Trello board. You have to understand all the problems that comes up, like kenapa progresnya baru sampai sini, something like that lah. Harus ditanyakan gitu-gitu. Terus apa yang mau bilang lagi ya? I never from the first time I joined Community Scrum, I don't see any topics from the member, like what kind of research thread that we should discuss. In fact, that actually community has so many problem. Like kita sadar bahwa belum ada progress, let's say ya. Tapi kok nggak ada discussion management, we have to spot this. Like kenapa kok nggak ada gitu. And as a chair, siapapun nanti ke depannya, Kak Tendi, Om Rafiq, David ataupun Sasha, you have to triggers discussion gitu. Jangan sampai discussion management ini kosong, padahal kita tuh ya mungkin from the expectation of the above management ya, bisa dibilang, karena what is the result yang dilihat di community itu adalah what is the expectation of the upper management, misalnya dia CEO gitu kan. Nah, jadi itu yang harus kita kembangkan dulu dari chapter ini gitu, biar kita bisa grow istilahnya. Kalau misalnya Sasha, have you ever joined any the chapter Scrum, HR perhaps, or
No, I have never. So I don't really know how the other chapters do their Scrum.
okay, yeah, basically how we do in a Scrum is to discuss things that we lacking kan, kayak gitu ya. Jadi it's really fatal if we don't have any discussion management topics. Apakah previously kayak gini Kak Tendi? Maksudnya nggak ada discussion topics and then we stop the Scrum. Is that what happened or?
Usually ada sih biasanya 1-2 itu sebelum Scrum tuh ada yang naruh topik gitu. Tuh, jadi kalau ada friction kayak ini misalnya Om Rafiq, mostly itu sih biasanya aku yang spotting sama Om Rafiq biasanya, karena kan mostly kita berdua di sini.
Ya itu. Atau kalau misalnya ada, ya berarti you can up kan topicsnya. Yang sampai ada yang ketinggalan itu kan ada tuh di bawah. Nah itu mungkin di discuss lagi. Because apa ya?
Harus ada ininya sih membernya soalnya kemarin.
Apa namanya? The biggest thing that we need to discuss in community is how apa ya? We need to build internally dulu, and then collaborate externally. Jadi kayak yang aku juga agak bingung ya, gimana ya? Ya udah, coba ke discussion management yang lain. Jadi buat topik aku yang terakhir itu, what is the purpose? Purpose of this is actually reporting result, not activities, and then discussing what kind of solution that we can offer for a problem gitu. dan try to spot or discover high quality problem, something like that. Jadi kayak aku sih nggak pernah join yang lain. Kalau yang lain apa yang pernah aku join ya Scrumnya ya? Perhaps like marketing, I guess. Jadi tuh yang mungkin kita harus pelajari sebagai chair kayak gimana kita memahami setiap topik baik itu dalam card maupun dalam discussion management dan try to explore opinions from the others gitu. Gimana ya? Ya gitu, gitu. Nah, kayak gitu. Coba misalnya sekarang Kak Tendi try to lead the discussion for Rafiq topics. Coba kita coba.
Oke, sebenarnya perlu Om Rafiq juga sih di sini untuk ini karena kan memang friction dari dia biar minta insight dari dia juga kayak gitu. Tapi kita coba kasih idea aja ke Om Rafiq. Oke, so Om Rafiq have new topic for the action taken if the partner has not signed the contract after the deadline. Okay, so for the Rafiq problem, I think this is the problem that most of the partners, mostly they sit still on BV and then okay with the contract and everything, but they are still not signed yet. Even though the deadline is already over or the contract is already expired, but the partner is not extending the contract yet like that. So the friction is what the friction of Rafiq is what the decision or action that we need to take from this kind of the partner like that. Okay, so for this problem from Rafiq, maybe from David, could you tell me like for example like you are a partner that we are Bukit Vista from Bukit Vista, right? And then do we still have trust or not? If this is I think this is one of the something that urgently we need to what's called to solve it like that. So because this is related to the relation and then the trust, what do you think the relation between Bukit Vista and partner if there is no agreement or this or MOU between us?
In my opinion sih agak if that case the owner has not signed the contract after the deadline, it's not only about the trust from the owner, but itu kayak lebih ke gini, misalnya aku belum daftar kontrak nih, belum tanda tangan kontrak sampai sekarang nggak ada perubahan sama aku gitu, jadi nggak ada benefit dan nggak ada kerugian yang apabila kalau kita masih menunda-nunda kontrak. It's not only about trust. Kalau trust mungkin bisa meningkat, udah sama gitu, maksudnya masih ada trust, tapi mungkin ada hal lain gitu. Jadi nggak nanti aja, nggak ada kekurangannya kok, nggak ada kelebihannya juga, tunda-tunda aja gitu sih. Nggak dijadikan prioritas gitu. I think that.
Okay, thank you, David. Okay, so from the David opinion, maybe to Shasha, do you agree with the David opinion, or do you have any other opinion?
Honestly, I'm still kind of confused Kak, about
Okay,
the
so
discussion.
which part did you not understand yet, Shasha?
Yeah, I don't really know how the community for connecting with the partner. So I think I cannot really analyze it.
Okay, so yeah, maybe I will tell a little bit. So usually, when the partner join Bukit Vista or be a part of the member of the Bukit Vista, so we have MOU contract like that. So the in the MOU there are like describe like how we are partnership and then like what is the rule or the policy of the partnership, like that. So previously we are what's called extending the contract like one every 1 years like that, and then if the partner didn't extend the contract, they need to notice us like 2 months before like that. And then this contract, it is what's called, there are a rule that if the partner like break the rule or everything, there are what's called like a sanksi like that, if for the partner like that. And then yeah, I think currently that's we need to get from the partner the commitment if they are still want to have a partnership with Bukit Vista or not like that. Because I think that's one of thing that we can see the how is the relation or the trust between the partner and Bukit Vista like that. Okay. Do you still have a question, Sasha, or do you have question you can ask?
Mm, I think because there's no, it's about the why the partner has not signed the contract after the deadline, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I think because there's no hurry, I guess. Like there's no kebutuhan untuk benar-benar melanjutkan kontraknya, jadi
Hmm.
mereka santai-santai aja gitu.
Okay.
Karena
So because of the something that's I think same like what David said is not a high priority like that from the partner, and then the urgency of
yeah,
the partner of the
yeah.
contract sign. Okay, okay. From that, I think we can see. I think this is the problem or the issue is about the urgency. So the urgency from the partner and then Bukit Vista as well. And then the following question is how we make this like the our urgency, like the how we make this things is urgent like that. Can we make the partners the contract is urgent or no? Like that. Okay, maybe from David, do you have any suggestion how to make the contract is urgent to partner?
Uh, Maybe I want to ask first, Kak. When do we ask? When do we give a new contract to the owner? Amin berapa gitu?
2 months before.
Okay, 2 months. And the reason why 2 months?
Because if the partner not extended contract, then we need to process it of the to the
Oh,
offboarding.
well,
Yeah. So that's why we give the partner like the time like a 2 month.
okay. And for the deadline that the owner sign contract,
The deadline is actually in the end of the month for the from the like for example like today we send the contract and then the deadline is in the end of the month like that.
Amin 1 bulan.
1 month lah punya waktu kalau dia decide untuk extend dia punya waktu 1 month untuk sign gitu. Terus.
Okay. I think ini sih maybe the solution suggestion Kak. Like I said before that there was no benefit or loss for the owner if they sign contract. Bagaimana kalau kita buat term gitu sesuatu apabila dia misalnya nih deadline belum tanda tangan, bilang Pak di bulan segini ada bookingan baru nih, jadi belum bisa kita proses. Jadi kan timbul rasa, oh udah urgent nih, udah urgent nih, itu sih. Maybe give the information sih, kalau dari aku sih gitu sih Kak. Apabila udah lewat deadline, bisa kita give the information that we have a booking in the new periode kayak gitu, biar menumbuhkan rasa aware, rasa
Aware. Okay. So
ya.
yeah, I think currently because on the pandemic situation, why there is mostly the owner didn't sign it because there is no future booking, right? And if we have the future booking, then it's fine. We can set like that. And then how if there is no booking to that property? Like can we do that or do you have any idea? Or Sasha, if you have any idea, you can just jump in and raise your hand. Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. Hmm.
There's no money
mungkin
involved in
lagi.
extending contract.
Yeah, from Sasha maybe.
There's no money involved in extending the contract, yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. That's what I want to ask. That's all.
Do you have any idea from that?
No, I mean, if there's money involved, then we can make like an early bird system where if they sign the contract early, then they can get something from it. If there's money or price involved, but yeah, if there's not, then not really. We can really do that.
Okay, something that about the rewarding, yeah, like a reward to the partner if they sign the contract
Signed early.
on
Yes.
time like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, but, and then from the David, what do you say before?
Okay. Maybe from the opinion from Sasa, it can be the first rotation, Kak. But and the second suggestion from me, if there is guest masih still on the booking, just say that we cannot process for the checkout maybe.
I see. Yeah, I think from Sasha and David answer, I think we can define the way how to make the contract sign like a two what's called two way no two categorized like the first is like uh, partner with the good booking and then with the no booking, right? So if
Yeah.
with the good booking and then they get revenue, I think that's more easier for the partner to sign the contract because they already know our performance, and then I think they're not talking a lot about that. For example, like Villa Olala, Bulili, it's very easy to get her sign because previously we still can give them booking on the pandemic situation, but currently like Tegas Asri and then Kembang Kuning, I think we need to find a way to make this urgent about the sign contract. I have one idea actually for that. So actually, how we make this urgently? I think we can tell the partner because if there is no agreement or the MOU or the or the contract between Bukit Vista and partner, I think we cannot processing any what's called booking or the or the online delisting like that. So because we worry if for example like we already get a lot of booking, but then the partner decide to not extend, right? Then they got all the booking or we need to cancel all the booking, that will be big issue like that. But if we already have the agreement, then I think that's fine like that. So I think that's how we make the contract sign is urgently. We can tell the partner hey, Pak or Bu, this is very urgent. You need to sign the contract, or we need to decide it like about this contract, because if the contract is not extending yet, then our team cannot work to maximize your property, like that, to selling your property, because there is no agreement between us, because this contract will be expired, like that. So yeah, I think there are two ways that we can reach the partner with the good booking, and then the partner with no booking. But the challenge,
Yeah.
I believe, mostly in the partner with the no booking. So I think that's more the challenge. But I think we need to make or set the situation like uh, more urgent for them, like that. Okay, I think is there do you think there's conclusion, or do you still have something that you want to add, guys? Lilis, what about you? How was so far?
Okay, thank you, Kak Tandy, for leading the discussion. Yep. How do you feel, Kak Tandy, about is it a new method, or is it the same like before what you did with previous discussion?
uh I think there are some a bit improvement, like more, I think can more digging, explore or
Dig dive
discover,
into the
yeah,
topic.
or discover like from the first, and then compare with the second opinion, like that, and then find
Okay.
the middle way, or the best solution from that, Lilis.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I don't really join the previous. I mean,
Hmm.
how you lead the discussion, but from the answer, like from David or Sasha, I feel that they kind of thinking on how to answer your questions.
Yeah.
If you only ask, do you have any opinions? Something like that, they were like, oh no, I don't really understand about community. I'm new here, right?
Hmm.
Sasha said like that before, right? But you try to like, if you have any questions that you need to know first before you give any kind of opinions or discovery, yeah, just ask first. You say that, right? And Sasha tried to come up with questions, and then there's aspiration from that, from your answer, and from David's ideas. Everyone is inspire each other basically. So perhaps this is a one example of discussion that we should apa improve terus gitu. So by what is that the name, Socratic method, something like that, like giving questions, habis itu kita dapat kind of insights basically kan. Mungkin David, how do you feel like, do you feel like responsible to give answer to Tendi, or how do you feel?
For me, I don't. I think I don't have a responsible I for give the suggestion, kak, because I don't work too much in community, but I just give solution from what I have in my mind.
No, no. My question is, when Tendi asks you a questions, do you feel like, aduh, gregetan apa ya? Apa
Oh
sih ide? Something like that. Do you feel
yeah.
that, or just biasa saja?
I feel like that.
How about Sasha?
Uh, do you mean like pressure release, Kak Lilis?
Yeah. Something like pressure, like
Yeah,
when you
I
ask,
do feel a little bit pressure, but I think it's okay because it's only opinion, right?
yeah,
There's no right or wrong. So
yes, that's correct. Perhaps we need to build this culture on community first. Like, uh, as previously David also in BI, right? You know that I'm always, I ever said that, why all of you just detour to everyone else? I ever say that, like David. So what we need to build the culture is where we kind of try to think of, if someone's give us questions, then try to explore the answer, like not only standard answer, but as creative as we can, and also as deep as we can. uh yes, Kak Tandy, today is actually apa namanya observation on the discussion management board, sorry on the discussion management process gitu ya.
Yeah.
And then perhaps for this one, for these issues, I actually agree with reward and something like punishment system, right? That we
Yeah.
discussed before. Like kalau misalnya dia on time, perhaps we can think of reward kayak apa ya rewardnya ya? I don't really know sih, tapi it kind of reward and punishment kalau misalnya dari diskusi barusan kan. Kalau punishmentnya, if you don't sign, we need to stop the advertisement gitu kan. Misalnya Airbnb restrict-nya off, something like that. Tapi juga kan as Kak Tandi said, ini tuh berbeda termsnya with good booking and bad bookings kan gitu kan.
Yeah.
Nah, perhaps this is like the first step because we will have the same case in the future, I guess. So this is the problem discovery. Problem discovery adalah sebenarnya ini masih agak kurang. Why? Because no one's questioning to Rafiq basically. What is actually the reason behind that? Pasti tuh setiap orang punya reason yang berbeda. Previously, I have asked Rafiq, I think, to summarize what kind of apa namanya reason kenapa mereka bisa. Nah dari reason itulah kita bisa membuat suatu apa solution discovery gitu. Mungkin itu yang harus di iniin lagi gitu, dicek lagi. Kalau misalnya memang ini kan guess sebenarnya kan, our guess is because no urgency to sign the contract kan gitu guessnya. So we define solution based on that, right? But if Rafiq said that there is different reason, then solutionnya akan berbeda lagi. Jadi we need to ask Rafiq basically what kind of apa namanya reason yang ada behind this problem. Sorry, this fact. Ya, gitu.
Kayak
Terutama buat Kak Fendi. Gitu.
Siap. Yeah, I think also about the punishment about the contract, I think we can put it on the contract as well, like the time for the extending, for the time the punishment if not extending on time or something. So I think we can also put on the contract so it will be clear for the next agreement. So I think that's we can improve on the contract details. Okay, yeah, I think the conclusion and then also the suggestion from you guys. Thank you. And then I think now the time for the community page trusted. So I will give it floor to the Cynthia.
Okay, thank you, Kak Tendi, and I hope the connection is well, yeah, because right now in my house, windy and cloudy, so I hope about the connection went well for today's update. So, okay, first of all, I'd like to check the update first regarding the funnel. Kak Tendi, would you please open it? Yep. Okay. Would you please open the funnel, Kak Tendi, about the update for this one? Yes. Okay. Is it
Funnel update is
updated?
not yet. I think one
Oh,
second.
okay. Okay. Then I'm really sorry that I haven't updated this one yet, but I saw that Sasha put that she already contacted 20 companies and got 3 response, 1 decline and 2 interested. I think if Sasha already had the access to the seed, and then you can please put there for the company. And then yes, I do also have one company that might be interested to introduce their product to us. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you Kak Tendi. Let's ini bulan apa ya? Februari ya? Okay.
Oh, udah dia.
So yes. So I think we already got the new number here. And to Sasha first, if I may, what kind of companies that interested to have this session with us?
Okay, the first one is Coma Studio. It's like an architecture and interior design company. They are still discussing with their team about the opportunity, but they say that they're interested. And today I just contacted them again and tell them that we can have a pre-meeting to make sure that they can understand about the program. Also, the other company that is currently interested is Indolinen. Indolinen is a um, basically they provide bed sheets for villa and hotels. Yeah, and they say that they are interested, but they have some questions. So today I just emailed them and asked them to schedule a meeting with us.
Okay. When will you plan to schedule the meeting, Sasha?
Around Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. WIB.
Oh,
So
starting
4
this
p.m.
week, yeah.
WIB. Yeah, I just give the community teams schedule and they can
Mm-hmm.
match it.
Okay, then I think you can also update it on our community trusted Trello. So there it will be more easier to be tracked, like the step, and then you can put it that here is it, the Trello. You can access it that. So yes, it will make us easier to track the every step. Okay. Thank you, Sasha, and then looking forward to that as well. Here is it. Sasha, you can start to like templatize the card here based on the company that has responded, and then also if it already to meeting, you can start it to move it from the meeting and the partnership and also the community blog. For more information, actually, Kak Tendi has already made the workflow as well. You can find on the Trello as well, on the previous Trello. And then, yes, it will be easier for you as well to read the step about how to create a meeting with our potential partner for that. And then I'd like to know from Maria. Is Maria here? Yes, Maria, yep, I'd like to know the update about the Chucha Resto, and then how we'll be going for the next meeting.
For Chicago, it will be held on Thursday at 3. But I have an update there that it looks and it will shift to next week on the 11th February. I already sent the slide. And I think that team will moderate meeting. That's my update, Kak.
Okay, so the meeting will be on this Thursday, yeah, 11 February. So, and the moderator will be Nadia or Jing. Have we decided it yet?
Not yet.
Okay, okay, Nadia, would you like to be the moderator for the next meeting?
Okay, so hello everyone. Actually, I kind of like prepared myself for last week Hookah meeting, but then it got canceled. But yeah, I think I'm kind of like ready to be the moderator for this week. I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
then it's already checked. Yeah, thank you, Nadia. So
Sure.
for the next moderator, for this meeting will be Nadia, and then oh yeah, maybe to Maria can update the slide so we can put Nadia's information as the moderator on the slide. So yes, that's for the next meeting. I hope there won't be any yeah, because this is also last minute. If I didn't ask about this to Jing previously, I didn't know as well that the meeting is rescheduled. So yeah, I hope we all can attend for this one. and that's for the next meeting. And what else? Oh yeah, actually, this is I need a discussion with you guys. This actually for 360 videos that we have done it yet, like previously. I think this is Kak Tendi and Mas Rizal that doing this in the early of VV 4.0, and they are actually want to promote their product to us for the I targeted for the high end property. Then actually, what do you think about that, guys? I mean, like, is it possible that they promote it to us to the high end property itself? I'd like to know to Kak Tendi, I think.
So do you mean there is a company that want to work with us and then make a 360 video for our guests?
Um, that product is the 360 video,
Uh,
so they can like make they provide a service of 360 videos, and I didn't guarantee that we will use their service. I just said that yeah, you can promote your product to our high up property, but I didn't mention that we will use your service. So actually this is for the partnership itself and also to promote their product. Or what do you think about that? I think yeah, I think it's possible sih Kat. On my side yeah, but what do you think about it?
I think it will be like there is two perspective from the BV and then owner from me. So because
Mhm.
if that person promote to the partner for making the 360 video, and then the partner will think, well, where they can put that 360 video, right? Is it like they
Uh,
make their own website or they make their own what's called sell platform or something, because if they pay and then they of course they will use it, right, the video like that. If 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 from if that company promoted and Bukit Vista using, then actually we can use that video because mostly we advertise, right, that. So I think there
okay.
are two side, like from the partner and then from the Bukit Vista, which one actually the target from that company, right?
Okay then. Okay, Kak Tendi, I think for that I will put more on the discussion for our next meeting since I think it's already 1 p.m. WIB, so this is time for the HR Scrum. Okay, thank you Kak Tendi for the insight. I'll give back the time to you.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Yeah, I think yeah, I will set schedule with you to talk more deeply about that to get the result, and then we can tell the result to the others. And then since we are run out of the time, so I will say thank you to the all the member, and then Maria also Grace, and then welcome Jing, and then other teams for the next meeting. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.